Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's the type of content you're into, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and become a socialite. So today's going to be another trying new makeup video. I have quite a few products that I want to try out. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look and my thoughts on some new products, then keep on watching. Good morning socialites. Let's get started. I have makeup that I want to try out. I'm in the process of organizing, especially since after the sale, and I'm just pulling out a lot of stuff I need to try. I've already done my skincare routine. I stopped off at the serum, which I use the Sunday Riley vitamin C serum. So let's do moisturizer. So I just have a little bit of this left, Clinique Moisture Surge. It's really barely any left in here. Work as much out as I can. I like using this before makeup because it's so lightweight, but moisturizes very well at the same time. It is nothing in here. I wonder if it's still on sale at Ulta. I feel like the cyber sales and Black Friday sales are going like strong for like a month. It's just like nonstop, right? Okay, so this is the Give All-Time Prime. It's a multi-use prep and smooth face oil. That's cute, right? That's cute. For smooth, dewy skin or prep before makeup application, 1 to 2 drops on cleansed face. Let's add this. They say you can add this with your moisturizer or with your foundation. I don't know which foundation I want to use. Let's do 2 drops. Okay, mixed in with the moisturizer. It's just like a soft, warm scent. So I'm just mixing it on the back of my hand. Let's go ahead and apply. Feels super smooth and creamy almost. It doesn't feel oily. It just feels really smooth. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 2 minutes before I move on to the next step. So for foundation, I'm torn. I want to try the new Estee Lauder Futurist Skin Tint Serum. It has botanical oil infusion. Since this has oil in it already, I may not want to add more oil on top of oil. So I may not do this one. For anybody who's been interested in this one, it's in the color 6W1 Sandalwood is my color. I might go with the Tom Ford Traceless Foundation Stick. Now, this is not new at all, but it's new to me. I just got in the mail like yesterday. It's been on sale for $45 everywhere, y'all. This is a $90 foundation. I've tried the other one, the liquid one, but I've never tried the stick. So I got the color 9.5 Warm Almond, which is the same color I wear in the liquid one. It just twists up. It was just a little rickety. For a $90 foundation, I would have expected something a little bit more sturdy. So let's try this out. 1, 2, 3. That color looks pretty good. We'll do under. Really creamy and smooth, like it just glides on, but it may be the oil that helped it to do that. Either way, I like the way that feels. The number 88 brush, foundation brush from Sephora. This is one of their pro brushes. I love this brush. Off the bat, I'm seeing a medium coverage, but I haven't read about it yet, so I don't know what it's supposed to give, but it's giving medium on me right now. I can still clearly see my pigmentation through this, but it makes the skin look really nice. Let's see how buildable it is. So it builds up really nice. It's somewhere in between medium and full coverage. Real Techniques 300 brush. I usually get this in a set. Juvia's Place. Keep in mind that the Juvia's Place bronzer does have sort of reflex in it. I feel like a camera won't be able to pick up the reflex in here, but there's definitely golden reflex in here. I feel like this would be a great summertime product. Real Techniques 200 brush. Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer. To set under eye, I'm going in with my One Size Ultimate Setting Powder. This one's in the shade Ultra Pink. Incredible powder. And the shade, I absolutely love this shade. Another new product I'm trying out is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is the Muru Butter Bronzer in Endless Summer. I've tried their Butter Glow Press Powder, which I love, so I thought, why not try this one out. It does look quite shimmery. It smells sweet and good. It smells like sweet IHOP butter that you put on pancakes. It's quite shimmery. Let's see. Quite powdery. So if you barely tap in here, you get a lot of dust that forms at the top. So you just want to barely tap. Don't dig into this. And I'm using my Real Techniques 400 brush. And most of these brushes, you guys, come in the same set together. Oh, but it's pretty. It smells so good. Okay, so for me, this would be more so like a finishing powder that adds a beautiful sheen to the skin. It's not quite deep enough for a bronzer, but it does give a beautiful glow, like a subtle glow to the skin. So this would be somebody that just wants that beautiful luminous skin look could use this. Or if you have oily skin and you wear all matte products, that way you can keep that shine down. And let's say you put your best oil controlling primer on and a matte foundation, matte setting powder. You're just a matte girly, but you want to glow. Try putting this on top just to add that beautiful sheen. So it's not really much color, but it gives a beautiful glow. So let's glue these brows down with the Ariell brow glue. Benefit Hula Treasure Island palette. Gonna take the dark color just to contour a bit. Tower 28 blush in Golden Hour. Using the cream shade from the Patrick Ta palette, I just blended that all over my lid, bringing it up pretty much to the top of the brow. And then I'm going to take the two warm shades, the powder shades, and blend that right above the crease. Taking the opposite side of that MAC 239 brush, I'm going to take the darkest brown from the palette and place that all over the lid, blending it out with the same brush, just the edges. My Maybelline Lasting pencil. I love to use this pencil when I want to smudge my liner. Choco Excess from Sephora Collection on the lid with just my fluffy blending brush. Sephora Collection 12-hour pencil. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. YSL Lash Clash. Eek. Have to wait till that dries. I'm gonna add a little bit more blush. Limitless Brown from Makeup Forever. Lucid from Hourglass with my LYS finishing spray. For fragrance today, I want to share with you guys a layering combo that I've been wearing a lot lately. So I've been doing YSL Libre Intense mixed with Ginger Biscuit from Jo Malone. Y'all, these two together smell amazing. Imagine like a ambery, very luxe, expensive, classy fragrance that's sort of strong mixed with a sweet gingerbread cookie. These two together smell so good. But I do have a new fragrance that I want to try out. So Nicki Minaj launched a new fragrance called Pink Friday 2. Now I've never tried anything from Nicki Minaj, but looking on Trend Mood one day, I saw that this came out and I read the notes, and those notes was like, okay, this may be something that I like. It was just like a bunch of fruity notes, and I want to say it was maybe like sandalwood or amber or something, but whatever the notes was sounded really good, and that made me want to try it out. Unboxing really quick for a YouTube short, and then I'll tell you guys what I think. Okay, y'all, so let's see. Quite the musky scent. From looking at the bottle, I wouldn't have expected this to smell like that. This smells almost like something that a man or a woman could wear. That's how it kind of almost teeter-totters on that line. It's musky and it's fruity. It's a little creamy. It's a tiny bit ambery. For my personal taste, it's a little bit too masculine because it's a masculine musk. It's not like one of those soft, elegant musks. Cologne-y to me, but she's cute. So this was interesting to use. I like the way the makeup glided on my skin with this. So I'm going to use it in conjunction with a primer next time. And I'm going to use it with a couple more foundations just to kind of see how I really truly feel about it. But so far, I think it worked out nice. For me, one of the stars of the show is definitely the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I like a product that does something different to the skin other than add color. You know what I mean? And so the fact that it gave me a different finish without really depositing color. With products like this, you can get a different type of look or a different finish to your skin without making your skin look oily. So yeah, I loved how the makeup turned out. A lot of times when I do try new makeup videos, I don't like the way my makeup turns out because I'm trying so many different things, you know, but I like it. Comment down below. Let me know if you've tried any of the products that I used today. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.